Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to a very special Christmas edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a classic Christmas song called Little Drummer Boy. It was written by Harry Simone and Catherine Davis. So before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and my covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the chords that you're going to need to know first, then we'll perform the cover. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great Christmas song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through the Acoustic Lounge version of this great Christmas song, you're only going to need to know 3 chords. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is a G major. You're going to need to know a D chord. The last chord that I use is a C add 9. That's it. Those 3 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
They told me a newborn king to see, our finest gifts we bring, to lay before our King. So to honor Him, when we come. When we come, little baby, I am a poor boy too, I have no gift to bring, that's fit to give our King. Shall I play for you, on my drum? On my drum. Mary night, the ox and lamb kept time, I played my drum for Him, I played my best for Him, Ba-rum-bum-bum-bum. Me and my drum.
Okay, let's get to the chord progression. I'm going to break this into two separate parts for you. We're going to show you the verse first, and then we're going to show you that bridge that I incorporate into my version of this great Christmas song. There's not really much in the way of a chorus to this song, making it very, very simple to play. The strumming pattern is a bit of a gallop strum. If you don't know what that means, it basically sounds something like this. But in addition, I do something called palm muting for the verse. So what does that mean? Basically, you use the fattier tissue of your hand here, your strumming hand, and you place it over the strings as you strum the chord. It gives this effect. Really, really easy to do. So let's have a closer look. The song basically starts on the G major chord. Here we go. Come, they told me, ba-rum-bum-bum-bum, a newborn king to see, ba-rum-bum-bum-bum. Our finest gifts we bring, ba-rum-bum-bum-bum, to lay before our King, ba-rum-bum-bum-bum, rum-bum-bum, rum-bum-bum-bum. So to honor him, ba-rum-bum-bum, when we come. And that's it. Very, very, very simple to do. Let's have a quick look at that bridge that I incorporate into my version. Okay, the bridge that I incorporate into the Acoustic Lounge version uses the same three chords, only in a slightly different pattern. And I also strum these chords outright as opposed to palm muting them. In addition, I use a couple of variances to the D chord. I use a D sus2 and a D sus4. It's subtle. You can do the same thing if you wish, or you could just leave it as the D chord. You be the judge. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. I find those little subtleties do make a little bit of a difference though. So basically, the bridge starts on the G major chord. Here we go. And that's it. That's how I play Little Drummer Boy. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Merry Christmas to everyone. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.